Hi, everybody, it's Adam.
And Petri.
Oh, Petri, are you okay?
No, I'm having a problem.
Well, what's your problem? Let's talk about it with everyone. They'll want to hear this.
I'm hungry.
Oh, what do you mean, like you're hungry?
My tummy is grumbly. I haven't eaten in a while. And I'm starting to just get frustrated.
Oh, okay. Well, do you want to tell them that the food is being cooked right now?
Yeah, it is. I'm having nut stew. I love any type of seeds and bird seed. Oh, it's going to be delicious.
I know it's going to be delicious, but what is the problem?
We have to wait, and it's hard to wait.
Petri, it is hard. Yeah, I'm really sorry about that. There's other things we can do while we wait.
There is? Like what?
Well, you could play a game. You could take a walk. You could play with some toys. How about any of those three?
Well, can you sing me a food song?
I don't think I have any food songs.
Can you make one up for me?
Okay, let me try. Food, it don't come easy. Keep on waiting, anticipating, but you can't hurry food. No, you'll just have to wait. Gotta trust your mom and dad. No matter how long it takes, gotta wait.
Oh, okay. That didn't make me any happier.
I know. I was just trying to think of something with relating to food. But should we try something else? That plan didn't really work too well.
Can we take a walk?
Yeah, we can go take a walk. Because the food should be ready in about 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Okay, let's take a 10-minute walk.
All right, kids. Sometimes we have to wait for things, like food, or to use something, or to take our turn. But again, it's okay to wait. It doesn't come easy. And you keep on waiting and anticipating it, but you can't hurry food sometimes. You just have to wait.
Yeah, if that's the way it goes, that's the way it goes. Let's go for a walk.
Okay, let's go for that walk. We'll see the kids later. Bye.